मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए जा रहा हूँ यहाँ से। पता नहीं कल कैंसिल क्यों कर दिया था ब्लू केव का, तो हमने आज बुक कर लिया था। आज हमारे पास 3 बजे तक का टाइम है। इससे पहले होपफुली हम कंप्लीट कर लेंगे अपना ब्लू केव का टूर। तो ये विज आइलैंड पहले एक मिलिट्री बेस हुआ करता था उस टाइम की। देखो अभी भी कैनन्स और ये सब रखा हुआ है यहाँ पे। तो यहाँ पे सब रेस्टोरेंट्स वगैरह बन गए हैं। टूरिज्म काइंड ऑफ पीक पे है। ये लोग कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं बट नहीं हो पा रहा है क्योंकि पैसे इन्वॉल्व है। एंड दिस इज कुमीजा टाउन एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल मॉर्निंग। बीच पे आया हुआ हूँ। सुबह के कुछ 7 बज रहे होंगे अभी। मेरा कुछ लिखने का मन कर रहा है मेरे भाई के लिए। एक कागज़ में उसकी चीज़ें लिख के एक बोतल में बंद करके यहीं पे फेंक दूंगा। कहते हैं ऐसी यादों और चीज़ों को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से रखता है। क्या नहीं कब कैसे इंसान चला जाता है यार। साल पुराना घर। Just closing this window, saying bye bye to this perfect view. After months of manifestation, months like 2 months, 3 months of manifestation, we are finally going to the Blue Cave. I'm matching with the vibe of the city, right?
Yeah, a lot.
With this black, with the same color of shirt and the same color of these walls.
Really nice.
Yeah.
Now
Ciao. यहाँ पे आई थिंक मच्छी बाजार टाइप का लग रहा है भाई। फिश वगैरह बेचने जा रहे हैं क्या ये लोग? कुछ तो करने जा रहे हैं। भीड़ लगी है यहाँ पे। क्योंकि यहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा ओवरली पॉपुलेटेड नहीं है। सो लुक एट दोस फिशेस। ये देखो इतना क्रिस्टल क्लियर वाटर है भाई यहाँ पे। लुक एट दोस फिशेस। ये पोर्ट्स की बात कर रहा हूँ। पोर्ट्स इतने साफ हैं यहाँ पे। ऐसा ब्लू पानी मैंने ज़िंदगी में नहीं देखा यार। मतलब ऐसा ब्लू इफेक्ट किसी सी में। जो डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स बने हुए हैं। बड़ी फिशेस हैं, ये छोटी फिशेस हैं। She was also pissed off because he was late. After months of planning and finally here we are heading towards Blue Cave. Man, that ride was amazing. It was super fast, right? We were like literally flying. Now he's gonna buy tickets for us and then we'll be waiting in the lane. She scanned our tickets and now we are also waiting in the line. Bro, the water is so blue, man. What we are leaving right now.
My name is Matteo and I will be your skipper for this adventure inside of the Blue Cave. As you can all see guys, that little tiny hole over there in the right corner. Can you see it?
Yeah.
That's our little tiny enter.
Oh.
Every single time when I got here, all the people, oh my god, what here? But don't worry guys, you are with the professional.
तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं उस होल के, बहुत ही टाइनी सा होल है। जब हाई टाइड्स होती हैं तो लोग एंट्री बंद कर देते हैं।
Yes, and all of those 12 people that live on this island, they do not like each other. They are fighting every single day. Yes, they're a little crazy, but it's really tough life on this island. My family is in Comisia, the city opposite from this island. It's over there from 15th century, so I'm not living anywhere from
But
here.
you were born here on this island?
No.
You have to go down that hill. Really tiny hole here. We are in Blue Cave.
Wow.
Shit, I have to close my light. Camera does not do the justice to this thing, bro. It's amazing. So there's white sand which reflects everything from the sun and then it shines. Amazing. Yeah, and the color of your hand changes.
And also guys, one more thing, that the enter over there, which we enter, the enter was made by the dynamite in 1885. They built this center with the dynamite just for the purpose of tourism. Because that year, 140 years ago, we start tourism inside of the Blue Cave. Now we are third most popular location in the whole Croatia with the 2,000 people every single day. Yeah, per day, yes. Big difference from the first day.
So ये एक प्रोटेक्टेड आइलैंड है और ये प्रोटेक्टेड प्लेस है, तो उसको मना कर रहा है यहाँ पे आने के लिए। अब ये ट्राई कर रहा है इधर जाने के लिए, जस्ट टू प्रिजर्व द बायोडाइवर्सिटी और जो भी चीज़ें हैं उसको सेव करने के लिए यहाँ पे restricted आना. It was wonderful, huh?
It was
right? It was
amazing.
mesmerizing.
It was magical.
Yeah, like beauty of nature. Nobody could compare, this thing. That guide was also good. He was explaining
He was really
everything.
nice.
Yeah, like exactly what. Like thing is, I already read the book about it. What he was telling, I was like, yeah. But yeah, it was really good and now we have to find our skipper and then we'll go directly. Our skipper is here. Can we sit? Yeah, it was amazing. It was so mesmerizing. So we are going against the rapids, so it's gonna be flying again. We are just going to pick our stuff from the home and then the timings of the buses are changed, timings of the ferries are changed. You have to also book the ticket for the ferry. It's gonna be a long journey today, right? Traveling is always exhausting, but it was really nice what we did today. It's okay. I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
इस आइलैंड पे लोग ऑलिव्स वगैरह और ऐसी जो चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा उगाते हैं। अभी भी जब सुबह आया था, सो दे वर डूइंग द फार्मिंग हियर, यहाँ पे भी ऑलिव्स और आई डोंट नो समथिंग लाइक दैट। हमारा BNB से निकलने का टाइम हो गया है। ने ब्लू केव टूर कर लिया, सामान BNB से उठा लिया एंड वी आर जस्ट लीविंग राइट नाउ। इट वाज अ नाइस ट्रिप ऑन दिस आइलैंड। अब चलते हैं मेनलैंड की तरफ एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी बुक्ड आवर फेरी। Finally we did the Blue Cave. I was not expecting that, but we did. Amazing. So under the bus last time, as I showed you, there's a lot of space. left Vis town and Vis Island. We're on the ferry right now. So far, my planning was good. Everything kind of worked out. I think I should have spent one more day on Vis, or we could have came here on perfect time. We just wasted one day in Split. ब्रो पता नहीं क्या हुआ मेरे को, जैसे ही ब्लू केव से आया ना तो having a weird headache. Never had that in my life. So weird. I was wearing this shirt. I had to change it because it was kind of heavy for this weather. Bro, we came here to Split and some fashion shit is going on. Like some catwalk thing. They are doing something inside as well. मेरी हेयर स्टाइल ही बिगड़ी रहती है यार हमेशा. ब्रो यहाँ पे कुछ तो होने वाला है, कुछ तो हो रहा है यहाँ कूल सा. Can you please tell me what is going on here? It's
Here is like, not sure we check, but it will be like people will watch.
okay. It's like fashion show or something, or okay.
Historic.
Oh, historical act. Okay.
Made.
Okay. Yeah.
That's all I know.
Okay. Yeah. So it's an historical act is going on. I don't know. We thought like fashion show, but it's not fashion show. Just purchased a souvenir from here. I'll show you later on what I purchased. It's actually a bottle opener.
5 hours later.
We are already at our stop and here we go. Yeah, so this is our hostel. Okay, then you have to enter the room number. This is our room. This is my bed. So it's the time for checkout. That's it. We are in Zagreb right now, but we have to walk a lot. Today we are taking our flight in the evening from Zagreb, and their airport is super far away from here. You know, I'm having this Berlin vibe. We both were last year in Berlin. It's kind of same big city, capital of the country.